Alright, here we go. Buena suerte, everybody. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Thank you, everybody, for filling it. Muchas gracias. Buying hand cards. I forgot to say that in the other videos. Alright, here we go. First box of classic signatures. Hockey. Trash it. Alright, sorry about that. Boxes, the box cost $180 on the box. Alright, good luck. So here we go. Pack number 1. Let's see if you guys picked the right boxes. Alright, so we got base. Yeah, it still doesn't focus. Nice. Alright, base of Daryl Sittler. And nope. Reggie Lemelin. Oh, that guy looks so skinny for to be a goalie. Very skinny to be a goalie. Or is that just a camera? No, it looks very skinny to be a goalie. Alright, and our first autograph is a center for the Washington Capitals, Dennis Maruk. Dennis Maruk for the Washington Capitals. It looks skinny according to that picture, man. I'll show you another goalie. Look at that. Which goalie would you rather take? I'd take the though he's in the Sharks uni, I'd rather take the Shark than the oh no, the Canucks, I mean. Than the guy down there, I mean. But our first autographs for the Capitals, and we have a retired Pierre Pilote, or Pilote, for the Blackhawks. Just made you laugh. Alright, we got Ken Morrow. Alright, Ken Lanesman, and right behind Ken is an autograph defense for the Boston Bruins, Bruce Shoebottom. Rob F. Jr. with the Bruins. And a Rogie Vachon. Retired numbers. Retired in 1985. Very nice. Your cousin Rogie is related to Roogs. And I stop focusing again. That's his real last name, huh? Alright, and Bill Clement. And our autograph goes, it's orange. Oh, that's a nice autograph. Boris Kindrachuk for the Philadelphia Flyers and Munchman 34. I like the mustache. Look at that mustache. Look at that mustache. Oh, competition. Very nice for the Flyers. And a Mike Gartner for the Capitals, retired numbers. Nope, not sure printed. Hey, Ryan's back. Welcome back. Mike Pekka, Cliff Ronning, and it's dark. It's a goalie. What goalie is it? What goalie is it? What goalie is it? For the Canucks, Dan Cloutier. for the Canucks and Roogs. And Mark Tardif. Case hit. Why would that be a case hit? Another skin. Nah, he's actually pretty big. Yes, Nordiques go to the Avalanche. Yes, that goes to the Avalanche. That Mark Tardif goes to the Avalanche. Yes, yes, yes. That's yours. Dennis Savard in the back. All right. And the Whalers go to the Hurricanes. And the Jets go to the Coyotes out of this product. And another goalie. This one is for the Coyotes. We were just saying their name for the Coyotes. Becker 818, Bob Essensa. Bob Essensa. No, not skinny at all. This guy looks like he can hog the net. Dennis Savard for the Blackhawks, retired numbers. Yeah, pack number 6. Good luck. Nope. Alright. Any one of those 2 autographs in this product would be great. Blackhawks. And oh, what is this? Oh, an expansion for the Flyers. Bobby Clark. Oh, that's sick. Dirty. Bobby. This is Bobby Clark for the Flyers. Oh, sick. 31 of 50. 31 of 50 for the Flyers, and a retired number of Adam Graves for the Rangers. Adam Graves for the Rangers. Very nice, Munch. That was box number 1 of Classic Sanchez. On to the sickness. Oh, this box was picked by Mr. St. Louis. Forgot to say who that box was picked by. But it was picked by the other guy that didn't pick this one. Alright. Oh, I forgot to cut this off, huh? Oh. What's in here? One base. Leave the base card back there, so I don't see what's back there. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Claude Giroux, the Flyers base, and should have an RPA. Oh, for the Phoenix Coyotes. Look at that. Triple Potch, 13 of 25. Andy Miele, David Runblad, and Keith Yandel. Alright, and right behind the Triple Potch for the Ottawa Senators and the Oilers. Colton Tubert, Eric Condra. Quad jersey. Alright, right behind our prime combos is our rookie auto for the Blue Jackets, John Moore. John Moore. Should be numbered at $3.99 if I'm not mistaken. Oh, thank you, Snag Guy. Oh, look at that. Is that him? No, he's not live, right? He's not live, is he? Is he live? Oh, snap, look at that. Oh, look at the avalanche. Oh, roogs. Oh, jizz. Look at that. Oh, that is sick. And right behind Landeskog. Boo! For the Sharks. Boo! So Terry, Merlot, and Clow. The Columbus Blue Jackets is numbered 105 of 199, John Moore. The Landeskog is numbered 15 of 15. 15 of 15. Yes, it's jizz. It's the jizz sound I make when I go to the baño and I had Chipotle. And a base card of Patrick Waugh for the Avalanche. Yes, Mr. St. Louis picked that box. Chipotle, he says. Okay, doesn't want to come out. Oh, there we go. Scared I'm gonna catch the pack one of these times that I rip it in there. Oh, this box was picked by aoclubs. aoclubs. So Munchman, this is Munchman. Kid Card was that first box of signatures. All right. All right. Box number 2. Alright. There's one base card in the back. Now I gotta bring it out so I don't look. For the Winnipeg Jets, the new Jets, Andrew Ladd out of 249. And our first hit is backwards because it's Carl Hagelin for the Rangers. Oops, and it's still upside down. New York Rangers, Carl Hagelin, quad jersey auto. This is the guy that's pretty good, Carl Hagelin. For the Patitos, the Ducks. Who's got the Ducks? Boo Ducks, JabroniWhat, Corey Perry, Devontae Smith-Pelly, Faker. He's a faker. Alright, right behind the Ducks is 23 of 25. Is that the one you wanted? Islanders. Oh, nice quad patch. Calvin Denhan and Travis Hamonic. Travis Hamonic. There you go. Islanders. Two color, triple quad patch. 23 of 25 for the Islanders. And right behind that, 74 of 75, one of the namesakes autographs. Carl Klinsberg for the Winnipeg Jets. This goes to the Jets. The new Jets, not the old Jets. Not the one that got the autograph over there. This goes to the new Jets. This is Rob F. Jr. 74 of 75. And let's see, which way does this go? Wow, this card is just haunting me. Look at that again for the Boo Sharks. So Terry, Merlot, and Clow. Boo Sharks. Look at that. And Roberto Luongo. Right behind it. Look at that. What is that? What is up with that? 2 back-to-back San Jose. Oh, this is supposed to... No? This one's still gonna go. 122 and 124. Boo. Burnham. Who has the Sharks? Burnham. Sharks is ETCoastie. Alright, that was 2 boxes of Prime. Munchman, pick it this box. Munchman, let's see what you picked. I thought the Carl Klimberg, isn't that the guy that's pretty good for the Rangers? No? I thought it was him. Isn't he in the 12-13 product that everybody's chasing? Or am I mistaking it for another Ranger? Oh, 4 off. Okay. Alright. Alright, for the Stars. And I'll go. We did not get the hot box. But we got an autograph of Ed Belfour for the Chicago Blackhawks. Inaugural inks. 82 of 100. 82 of 100. And let me actually stop the video here. I'm going to stop the video because then it's going to run a little long. And a Cam Neely retired numbers banner for the Bruins.